At this point, we have an activity with 2 properties. Your challenge is to add a property for the final remaining text view and to get a reference to the text view component in the layout using its ID. Try it first, and if you get stuck, check out the previous video. Pause the video and give it a shot.
How did your challenge go for you? Don't worry if you got stuck. Doing any new thing can be challenging and can often cause a lot of frustration. Just keep putting one foot in front of the other, and in time, you'll get it. Okay, so here I have my main activity open. I'll add a new property underneath the existing properties. The name for this property is timeLeftTextView, and it's a type of text view. Remember, all I've done is declare the variable, but the variable itself doesn't contain any data. I'll assign some data in onCreate. Like previous assignments, I start with the variable name followed by the equal sign. Next, I call findViewById, and since I want a text view returned, I put the type between less than and greater than signs. Next, I pass in an ID to the method using the R file, and well, that's it. I have access to my text view data.